So y'all know what time it is. It's time to cook, y'all. So in today's episode, fix my hat. I'm cooking egg whites. And I have egg whites at home, but I need some cilantro, right? Which I have right here. Boom. And I also need broccoli. And you see, I'm in the healthy section. Learn to love this section, you guys. So I'm looking for the broccoli. Be afraid to ask for help. She's telling me. All right, here's the truth. I really don't buy organic things, but they only have organic broccolini right here. So organic it is. Change your plans. This spinach looks amazing, and I have to have it. So this is gonna be my base. Look at this. This looks so bomb. Put you back right here. So I have my spinach, fresh. Cilantro, fresh. I have one of those at the house. And as I was trying to leave, look at this. Mini sweet. Y'all know I have to get one. I have to. I think this is it. I choose you. So this is my last ingredient. And this is not necessary, but I want to do it. Jeez, Holmes. What I'm going to do on the queso. Which one am I going to do? So after all the thought, I'm queso, Holmes. Time to go home. Get this work in. Okay, back at the house, I have my spinach, my... Can't think of this. You know what this is. My queso, my sweet peppers, and the most important part, well, here's the most important part. Of course, my egg whites also. And now you guys are gonna need these type of trays. Perfect. So preparation is key. So first, I'm gonna cut everything up, and then I'm gonna add the egg whites, and I'm gonna add the ingredients. It's simple. Right here, I'm gonna cut these peppers up. Better cuts than that, but we're doing it one hand, so I'm gonna cut all these up right now. These are kind of big, so I'm gonna cut it a little bit more fine, so it's just easier for me. I like it. You can leave it like this though if you want. Now this is the good stuff. All right, perfect. These are done. Next up, cilantro. Here's a trick I'm learning. Keep it bunched up. I'm just gonna cut it from here. See? Simple. Hey, y'all would have laughed. So I'm cutting it, and I'm like, this smells a little different. This is parsley. Still good though. So this is parsley, not cilantro. So be sure to cut up your parsley. Cut up. Now I'm trying to put it in a bowl. So next up, this is spinach, and this is really spinach, I promise you guys. So this is the last thing that I'm gonna cut up pretty fine, and then I'm gonna start pouring the egg and then adding all the ingredients. So, and this is done. This is perfect. So now it's time to mix it all up, y'all. So another important element, you don't have to use avocado spray, but some type of oil to spray your pans before you use them. So simply. Top of my egg whites, I'm gonna pour, boom. You wanna do it halfway because the eggs will rise. So I'm gonna pour all of these and halfway, remember halfway. Okay, next I'm gonna take some, I thought it was cilantro. Boom, 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 boom. Just hit it, keep hitting it, y'all. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. You don't have to make that sound. Boom, but it is a little bit better when you make it. Boom, boom, boom. All right, next, this is next. Splash, splash, splash. Get some more. Splash, splash, splash. It's a different vegetable, you gotta make a different sound. Splash, splash, splash. And splash, splash. All right, next, the spinach. What sound is he gonna make? Oh, yeah. And if it flows over, it's okay because the egg is gonna rise, remember. Oh, looking tasty. Wait a minute, that one's too big. Sometimes you mess up. Some more. And if you add a little extra, you know, we're not gonna tell anybody, it's okay. Boom, boom. All right. Now remember, this is optional, y'all, but I like my options. So put the queso on top like it's so. Oh yeah. Put the queso on top. You know what I'm saying? Boom, boom, boom. He's about to be fire. Boom. Boom, boom. And boom. Oh, a little bit more on this one. This is done. Now I'm about to fill up these. All right, so they are all filled up. Ready to hit this oven. All right, so oven temp, 350. Yeah, that's it. Time to put them inside. Like that. Ooh, snap. Now let me get a mitt. Oh, that was a little crap. Boom. Look at that. Simple, easy, great snack.